Welcome, fitness warriors! Today we're tackling a high-intensity full-body weight workout. Think 10 rounds of 15 pull-ups, 45 push-ups, and 40 squats. It's not for the faint-hearted, but it's sure to deliver results. Always remember, form is crucial. Keep your core engaged, control your movements, and tune into what your body is telling you. If you need to modify, that's perfectly okay. Our rounds combine pull-ups for upper body strength, push-ups for chest and arms, and squats for those powerful leg muscles. It's a winning mix that works your entire physique. As we progress, keep your pace steady, maintain focus, embrace the intensity, and let that sweat stand testament to your hard work. 10 rounds await, let's make them worth it. As we near the end, recall why you began. For strength, for endurance, for resilience, congratulations on conquering this rigorous full-body workout. If it rocked your world, hit like, subscribe for more, and drop a comment with your preferred part. Until we meet again, remain strong, stay active, and I'll catch you in the next workout. Keep it up, warriors!